Yeah, we fucking walk in and he's just there.
He's like, what the fuck's wrong? Fucking asshole.
Oh yeah.
Show him my Omni shovel.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Or not?
I come in, it's all kicked up right there. I just walked in, it's all kicked up on top of him.
He's already dead.
He's already dead.
Killed
Kicked
Blackout?
up Omni Man, took him out. Yeah, just kicked up on him.
What are we supposed to do?
I'm going back in there. Wish me luck.
Yeah, he did.
Fuck off. No, what the fuck?
No! Oh, okay, that works.
Okay, Casper, after you paste in that, you go to, what is it, new profile, I think it is?
Huh?
Paste new profile, or?
Wait, hold on. I gotta check this 3D printout
Oh,
real quick.
jeez!
That's the highlight of my day, just walk in and fucking kicked up on me. What the fuck? What the fuck happened?
Just tell him I paused it until I did that.
Huh. Vote, I guess.
No! Oh! What?
Okay.
Started?
How did that work?
Tarashi died. Tarashi, how did you die?
Oh, dude, that's a dick
Wait, what the
move.
fuck?
That is a dick move. Holy shit.
Yippee!
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah! I installed the Yippee mod and it worked.
That is the happiest I've ever heard anybody say. Fucking Yippee Mom.
Oh!
Yippee
Something
Mom
got
was
Pika.
annoying.
Oh shit!
Oh, what the heck was that?
Oh shit! Kill it! No! Get the shit out of it!
Oh, I'm out. There's a coil head in there.
Okay.
Can't wait for us to walk in and just instant die from turrets.
Oh, this is gonna be great. Oh fuck!
Oh, who said turrets?
Oh my god.
Who said turrets? Who was saying walking on turrets?
Yeah, pretty sure that was Paros. Why is there so much fucking
There's
turrets?
another one over there. Oh my gosh.
What?
I'm afraid.
Yeah, you know, that sucks. Whoa, hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, you scared shit out of me. I thought you were a creature call.
Hurry! Oh, jeez! Who was it that said, "Oh, I can't wait till we walk in on turrets"?
Not me. Walk in and die
Yeah.
instantly.
I think that's everybody, isn't it? Oh no, there's still one more left.
Trying to save you from the turrets.
Nope, this is
I
everybody.
think I turned a corner and there was like
Sure.
3 in one area.
Yeah, he did say goodbye. He did say goodbye.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
That fucking rumor came in like a wrecking ball.
Careful, careful.
You fucking
Yeah, I had a double strike.
shit. Okay.
Let me in. Oh.
No, you bastards!
Fuck, Rush.
Rude, dude.
I'm gonna put this back. Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah.
Ow!
Come on, this is the longest fucking wait. Why did they make it
Damn.
in for so fucking long?
You fuckers.
Oh yeah, that's
Just cold-blooded murder. What the hell?
You can't put your me.
Sitting there running the
5
door
more
and you
seconds.
push my ass out in front of that giant.
That's why I'm armed with the shovel.
Oops. Who is it? Oh great, it's Pika. Oh no. I'm afraid to go in there now.
Find me.
What killed Pika?
So there was a snare flea that got on him. I hit him, but it killed the snare flea.
fuck
Killed
is
him.
that?
Hit the snare flea.
Oh, that's a river!
Oh, it's the Roomba!
Oh sh!
And the fucking crawler.
Okay,
Oh, you
maybe
managed
not.
to survive to Russia. Holy shit.
Alright, let's get out of here. $100, it's alright. We'll get up.
It came at me and I jumped over it.
Oh,
Hell yeah. Same.
yeah.
You keep looking
Roombas
over your
can't jump
shoulder,
very high.
Blackout. That's so creepy.
What I just told him earlier. It's like he's just looking at me, dude.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Can't wait.
His camera view is backwards too because his head's rotated.
What? That's so weird. What the heck?
Bruce? Oh, it doesn't do it anymore. What the heck? Oh, you have
I
to
just
charge
spammed it earlier.
You fucking charge it?
Yeah.
What?
It's battery.
What the fuck? You charge the fucking...
Oh, jeez!
Oh.
You charge the shovel.
So, anyone
Don't
else
charge
shit
the
their
shovel.
You gonna charge it? You gonna charge it?
Charge it, glizzy.
Damn it! I can't charge a fucking glizzy. Here, open your mouth.
Why? Do you want to cook it? Is that it? Is that
That's
the
what I'm
point?
saying. That's all I'm saying. What?
Fire in the hole. Shit, oh, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Just stick it in
Gone. Reduced to atoms. Wait.
I knew it so fucking... Oh, fuck.
You just mesmerized over here, Blackout. Just mess with the cat.
I wanted it to bite me.
So why do you want it to bite you?
If you want something to bite you, I can bite you.
Yeah. Okay, so... I got some rocket launchers. Just to let you guys know, there's limited. Alright? It's limited. Alright? Oh. So 3 of them will be coming down. And be careful when they fire.
We're gonna fucking die.
Hungriest people, most welcome one.
Alright,
charge it then.
wait. I actually have an idea.
Yeah, yeah.
I have an idea.
Can't wait for all of us to just blow up.
What the fuck?
Oh, damn.
Why did it go that way?
Oh, because your fucking head's all
Because your
broken
head
out.
is facing the wrong way!
Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god.
That's hilarious that for
right
some
now.
reason his camera's perfectly fine, but every other aspect of his life is.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can charge this to see if we can get more shots out of this. Give me a
Stand
second.
well back.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Or not. Yeah, no, it didn't work.
Schizophrenia, there's... What?
Blackout safe.
Whoa. What do you mean I'm safe? What am I safe from?
You're looking behind yourself all the time.
Wait, am I still doing that?
Yeah.
I wonder what Omni Man would do.
Oh shit.
I wonder if that means coil houses just attack you head on because you're not looking at them.
Ah, fuck. Hurry?
What the hell was that?
Oh,
Oh, hi. How's it going? Why is you staring at me?
Oh, hello there.
There's Omni Man! Whoa!
What the fuck?
Bye! Omni Man is
What?
in.
Omni Man, did you try to clap you?
I don't know what caused all the explosions. I'm just out. Well, there's a rocket launcher. Who's dead? Oh no. The thing is, I don't know if there's any rockets left in it. There's none left. Go, go, go! There's a mask! There's a mask!
Come
Go,
on,
go,
dear
go,
boy.
go, 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 go!
Go?
Go, 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 go! Hurry!
Am I able to join it?
Shit.
I went in 4 seconds, got art, put it outside. Everyone else.
So, what exactly happened with Omni Man?
I shot him. The rocket launcher.
I just saw explosions everywhere in the room suddenly.
Yeah.
There was someone that had a stair
guys,
flea on him, so
look
I
at
shot
that
the
now.
rocket launcher toward the stair flea and it blew me up.
It's empty.
Are you sure about that? Are
Yes.
you
There's
sure
no way
about
to
that?
tell is
Yes.
the
How
problem.
confident are you?
Like 90% sure.
I'm gonna go to the roof and shoot.
Oh, I better recharge this. Who
Yeah,
did
that's not
that?
empty. That's not
It
empty.
wasn't empty.
That was me.
Blackout just loves wasting
It's
his
empty
ammo.
now.
I told you it's not empty.
It is
I don't know how
now.
many shots that thing has.
Careful,
need
careful,
to
there's
be
a
already.
nutcracker right there at the entrance.
What?
Ah!
A spider?
Oh,
I'm supposed to kill it.
Nutcracker.
Oh, a nutcracker. Oh no. No, he's
Nope.
back. Oh, that's not Blackout. Where'd Blackout go? Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh, well.
There's a nutcracker in there.
Did you say two nutcrackers?
2 nutcrackers. Get a mask! I'm out! Bye!
Oh my god. Hold on, give me a second. Moki, you know what's really great? It's watching grass grow. Hurry the fuck up!
Someone said it.
God damn, I was saying. Waste of shit.
Don't let him know your next move.
Fucking better see that.
Oh!
They're actually okay?
How did I live through that?
No way! Oh, looks safe. Looks safe. Let's see. Locked.
Locked. I have a key.
Ah.
Oh, well, that was useful. Cool.
And it's a dead. No, it's not dead.
It literally goes into the motherfucker.
It's a freaking loop.
Onward. Get a lot of clapping sounds.
Omni Man. That wasn't Omni Man. Hello. Out of my way, man.
Hey, bud.
There's a mask in there.
Ooh, there's a mask. There's a mask.
In play?
Yeah. A few things on me.
Oh,
Hey, there it is!
Run!
I don't have to outrun the mask. I only have to outrun you.
Go. We got a mask in play. Where's the lights? Where's the lights?
Ah, it's here! Ah!
Stuck the ship! They need to stuck the ship! Go!
Okay,
One's dead. Stop. Tarasha, that's it. We went that way. We went this way too, yeah.
I'm taking a look around more. That has to be something.
Can't see
Oh,
shit,
oh!
Captain.
There's a hidden set of stairs over here. It's trapped behind this bookcase.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, what the fuck?
Huh.
That's
Nice.
sneaky.
Yeah.
I don't know how we're gonna get back up.
We'll fly up there. Hey, there's a door over here.
Now, where'd the stairs go? That we can't get to. And my flashlight's dead. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot!